As we look towards a post-pandemic world, it's important for entrepreneurs and business owners to consider new and innovative ideas that can thrive in this new landscape. With the changing consumer behaviors and the shift towards a more digital economy, there are several business ideas that have the potential to succeed in the post-pandemic world. One of the most promising business ideas for a post-pandemic world is the rise of remote and virtual services. With more people becoming accustomed to working and socializing from home, there is a growing demand for virtual services such as telemedicine, virtual event planning, online tutoring, and remote fitness coaching. Entrepreneurs who can capitalize on this trend by offering high-quality virtual services are likely to see significant success in the post-pandemic world. Another business idea that has the potential to thrive in a post-pandemic world is the focus on health and wellness. The pandemic has brought health and wellness to the forefront of people's minds, leading to an increased demand for products and services that promote physical and mental well-being. Businesses that offer healthy meal delivery services, at-home workout equipment, mental health counseling, and wellness retreats are likely to see a surge in demand as people prioritize their health in the wake of the pandemic. Additionally, the shift towards e-commerce and online shopping is another trend that is likely to continue in the post-pandemic world. As more people have gotten used to the convenience of online shopping during the pandemic, there is a growing opportunity for businesses to cater to this demand. E-commerce businesses that offer unique and niche products, personalized shopping experiences, and eco-friendly options are well-positioned to capitalize on the continued growth of online shopping. Finally, the pandemic has also highlighted the importance of sustainability and environmental consciousness as people become more aware of the impact of their consumer choices on the environment. There is a growing demand for sustainable and eco-friendly products and services. Businesses that focus on sustainable fashion, zero-waste lifestyle products, renewable energy solutions, and ecotourism are likely to see increased interest and support in the post-pandemic world. In conclusion, the post-pandemic world presents a unique opportunity for entrepreneurs and business owners to adapt to the changing needs and behaviors of consumers. By focusing on virtual services, health and wellness, e-commerce, and sustainability, businesses can position themselves for success in the new economic landscape. As we embrace this new chapter, it's important to keep an open mind and explore innovative business ideas that have the potential to thrive in the post-pandemic world.